Hi my friends, I hope you're keeping very well in these difficult times. I just wanted to give you a quick message and say a very happy Christmas to you all, and a very prosperous New Year as well. I hope everything goes well. I hope you're all keeping safe. I hope you have a lovely Christmas out there. I know it's a little bit of a tricky one this year, isn't it, with the COVID-19, but try to make the most of it. I just want to really say thank you so much for all the support you've given me over these past couple of years. Actually, some of you have been patrons from the very beginning, and it's really humbling to know that you support me like this and that you care about what I'm doing and what I'm trying to achieve in life and achieve for other people as well, in the form of these tutorials. So I'm just trying to help people kind of get to grips with the basics of painting, because there's so many people out there who message me almost on a daily basis saying, you know, how they find it so difficult, and you know, they just cannot get to grips with painting and they're afraid to maybe take a chance. My tutorials, I feel, are kind of aimed at that person who is afraid to go the next step and afraid to kind of push themselves just that little bit further. I think I try my best to encourage people just to try it, and above all else to have a bit of fun when painting, because painting has to be fun. I think if you don't enjoy painting, you know, what's the point? Why get your brushes out? Why get your canvas prepped and ready if you're not going to enjoy it, or if it worries you or makes you very anxious? Do try to enjoy what you're doing, and the paint will flow from your hands to the canvas and it will work, okay? But just practice a few simple techniques, and try to keep your painting simple to a certain extent. I think will really make a big difference in your painting, and try to be as loose and as free as you can. I know sometimes that's difficult when it's certain types of subjects, but do try to loosen up a little bit, you know what I mean? Don't take it too seriously, and just try to enjoy it. So I just wanted to really thank you all really very much, from the bottom of my heart, because I had a very tough year this year. My mum passed away not so long ago. She passed away back in May, and it really hit me. It knocked me sideways completely, as it did my wife and everybody else in the family. So it was really tough for me to progress from that, and it still is really kind of raw inside me. So I just kind of find in the past couple of weeks, months, you know, that I haven't been kind of giving it my all, and I've been finding it difficult to just kind of get back into it. Now I'm loving my painting, I really am. I've been really enjoying it, but I find just it really kind of hit me so much, and I think I almost feel like maybe I haven't grieved yet or something like that. So I do apologise if my tutorials haven't been almost up to scratch or as regular as I would like them to be, but the new year is going to bring new things, I promise you, and we're going to start trying lots of different kind of subjects after the new year, okay? I promise you that. So I just wanted to thank you very much for your support. It really does mean a huge amount to me, knowing that you're out there and you're willing to support me as an artist and a YouTuber going forward, and it helps me kind of do all of this and, you know, get new equipment and all that kind of stuff. So it really does help in a big way. So I just wanted to thank you so much for that, okay? That's kind of it really, I suppose. Just have fun painting, and let me know if you have any questions at all. Please just ask, all right? I'm here to answer questions for you, painting or otherwise, okay? If it's just a chat, I don't mind. So thank you so much. I will be back. I'll be back in a few days now with a tutorial on YouTube. I'm thinking maybe a little Christmas candle with a flame coming off of it, with the wax coming down around the edges, something like that. Let me know what you think. Anyway, thank you so much, and I will see you very soon. Happy Christmas and God bless.